Hey, good morning YouTube. How are you doing today? I'm gonna hope that the sound is recording. It looks like it might be, but my fan on my laptop is incredibly loud this morning. I've been using it since about 6 a.m., so that's probably potentially why on that. But I wanted to go ahead and jump on here and show you guys how easy it is to change this hedgehog. Well, the primary focus was on the hedgehog on the journal. See, I had the journal belongs to page. I've already started redoing it to my unicorn video, and a sweet little girl, a friend of mine's daughter, had asked for a rainbow journal, so I will go ahead. I'd say her name on here, but I don't know that her mom would want me to, so hi. And I hope it's okay that we've included unicorns and dragons along with your request for the pretty little rainbow, which I can't seem to get centered this morning, and Canva. So, with Canva, and the reason why I'm actually not on Canva this morning is because I left it upstairs, and I have to start my day job before I wanted to get this video going before I start my day job. So, I have imported some cute little unicorn guys, dragons, and doodads here, clip art that I had purchased with commercial use rights from Etsy, and wanted to show you guys just how easy it is. That was originally a hedgehog. I changed the background to just be this pink color. I keep trying to get that to actually be a cotton candy hex code, which I did Google, and I found some cotton candy. But of course, well, you may not know this, but with Canva, it's going to pull in your hex codes from the colored, so I went with that one. The pink was a little bit too pink, bright pink, my taste anyway. She might like it being that pink, but we may do a few test pages and see. And so eventually I'm going to upload this to actual, put it on Amazon through my KDP dashboard. And then that's also another unicorn that I had purchased with commercial use rights from Etsy, and had made my whole mom and daughter unicorn journal set, which she has and loves that as well. I can leave that link down below for you guys. But just to show you how easy it is to change it all out very quickly, we'll just delete that. We'll make this pink. We'll make that the purple one this time. Turn that one white. Alright, and so then on this one, I haven't used this unicorn yet. That one doesn't really match the other, so we're going to go ahead and take that one off. But we've got this one facing forward that's super cute. Just size her down. And make it a little bit bigger. Need to get some more rainbows because she did request rainbows, but we've got a few rainbows going on already in the beginning there. So I'll get some more added from Etsy. And the way that I usually just do a little bit of research real quick here, just to show you guys super quick. I'll go to Etsy, and I'll just search rainbows, commercial use, clip art. I've already searched over on Creative Fabrica, which I'm now on Creative Fabrica. I don't have a lot over there. This is super cute. Let's look at their terms. It does say commercial use, but I still kind of read through and see what kind of commercial use as well, just to make certain for small commercial use. So that one seems like it might be okay. We can add it to the cart just to save it, because I want to double check their commercial use arts before I do anything. I do have, forgot I had that mega bundle. I need to go through there and see if it's actually worth the $9 or what all I want. I know it's a lot there, but I don't know that I might want it. It does have that set in there. and some cute little puppy dogs so I can update my firefighter journal that I have that I need to go through and rework. It's got all that cute stuff and some pretty little butterflies, so I might buy that. We'll just see about that later. But if you want to just go through and do that, you can. And then if you're a member of Creative Fabrica, they do have some cute stuff. I just primarily have a lot of it already. So that's why I kind of decided not to go there. But let's see here. If we go rainbow, clip art. Sometimes less is more. That first set looked good, but looked like it may have some fall colors. Well, that is super cute there. We'll download that because that's kind of getting a little bit off topic. And because I do have a because I do also have the store, I'm going to go ahead and install this on the computer. But what I was going to say on that note, since I have a store, I went ahead and followed her. And so then that way she can follow me back. We'll help each other out that way. But going back to the, not unicorn, the rainbow clip art. Sorry, I've got to be upstairs here to work in a little bit. And they do have some cutesy poo stuff, as I like to call it. Oh, that one's going to be very helpful there. And then the one down below, it looks really good. Those are really cute. I think she'll like that. Gonna go back and put it to where I know where it's at. Because I hate it when I lose my clip art, since I've got so much stuff. Use all that other stuff to make my actual, as you can see, journal that I have there. And we'll just say extract all, extract, zoop. I'll close out of that. Yeah, that looks good. It matches, so we're going to go back over here. Going to say upload media. And then I did put it over in my unicorn, just to make it easy to find, perhaps. Okay, there it is, so we'll just highlight that. We'll go down through that, so I don't necessarily want everything on it for now. Although I will go back and grab the multicolor, the other multicolor down here that I saw. That one right there. I'll grab that one. That'll be super cute. It'll match a lot better than this. That one's okay, but I think there's just a whole lot going on there. And she specifically wanted some rainbows. That one's not my favorite there. Alright, just for time's sake, I gotta get going here in a minute. We'll go, line that up. If you wanted to change that to be hot pink, to match that top rainbow, Kevin's already got it here. That may be all matching very pink. We can have that one pink page. Yep, okay. Somebody's already for me email, and then I did that. I say somebody's already for me email. I was just talking about when I did my affiliate sales this morning on the email, and I will leave some information for another video that I'm going to do on affiliate sales, because that's another way that you guys can actually increase your income at home even if you don't have any products. Nice little side hustle that you can have going on. I want to grab that purple. Since everything else I've done is white, we'll go with white on that note there. And I know it's been a quick overview, but I've got to get going to my actual job up there, and I'll change this out. This is a little sales page that I learned to do. Actually learned it from Becky Beach, and Becky and I did a interview together, and I can link her channel down below for you guys as well. And then the copyright page, if you want to add a copyright page, I like to leave that there because I'm selling this mainly as PLR, but I'm going to convert it and change it over to the actual KDP. Sorry, I went down for a minute. I haven't had enough of my caffeine. You can go Summer Makes Me Feel. You can grab the pink. Change that one out. We'll just put this cute little guy down here. I wanted to make this journal from being in one of my other favorite masterminds with Miss Deborah. I'm going to leave her link down below because if you guys have ever wanted to learn to do creative stuff like this, she's a really, really wonderful teacher. I just love her inspiring ways, pretty much, I guess. We'll go Summer. We'll change that out to the pink. We'll change him out. Put over a guy facing that way. For them to be a little bit different. And you get the drift. Put him right there. That looks good. Just say Summer. I mean, it kind of does. You can change it around to be more kid-friendly topic like I'm going to do. And I may do a little square to be like draw yours here. Or maybe take out this top portion there and make it a square. And we'll go through that later on in another video. But that's how easily you can change the Hedgehog journal into a unicorn journal. So, there you go. As guys, it's been great and fun and quick this morning, so I gotta get going. See you later. Bye.